Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be exploring the world of natural remedies, specifically 5 morning drinks that can help lower high cholesterol levels without medication. We'll be discussing the health benefits of green tea, oatmeal smoothies, turmeric lattes, citrus juices, and apple cider vinegar drinks. These beverages aren't just delicious, they're packed with ingredients known for their heart-healthy properties. But before we dive in, remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. First on our list is green tea, a wonderful drink known for its antioxidant properties. The secret ingredient in green tea is catechins. These natural compounds work to improve your heart health by potentially lowering your LDL cholesterol levels. So how much green tea should you drink? Aim for a range of 1 to 3 cups daily to reap the most benefits. Next, let's talk about the oatmeal smoothie. This delightful blend of oats and fruits, such as berries and bananas, is not just a tasty treat, but also a cholesterol-lowering powerhouse. The oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. For an added health kick, throw in some nuts or seeds, which are great sources of healthy fats. So why not start your day with a soothing cup of green tea, followed by a nutritious oatmeal smoothie? Aim for 1 to 3 cups of green tea daily and enjoy an oatmeal smoothie for a nutritious start to your day. Next up, we have the turmeric latte, a warm and comforting drink with numerous health benefits. This golden concoction is made by mixing turmeric with warm milk, either dairy or plant-based, and a dash of black pepper for better absorption. The star ingredient here is turmeric, a vibrant spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to improve cholesterol levels, making this latte a worthy addition to your morning routine. Now let's switch gears and talk about citrus juice. Freshly squeezed citrus juices like orange or grapefruit are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. These powerful antioxidants can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, giving your heart health a boost with every sip. But remember, if you're taking certain medications, be cautious with grapefruit juice as it can interfere with their effectiveness. Last but not least, a simple yet effective drink is an apple cider vinegar drink. For this drink, you'll need raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of it with water, and to cut through the vinegar's sharp taste, add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's as simple as that. Apple cider vinegar is a daily health tonic that's been used for centuries. Some studies suggest it may help improve lipid profiles, including lowering LDL cholesterol. This is mainly attributed to its acetic acid content, which is believed to help reduce fat storage, improve digestion, and boost your metabolism. However, it's not a magic elixir. Incorporate this drink into a balanced diet and lifestyle for the best results. Regular exercise and a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats are key to managing cholesterol levels. Remember, these drinks are not a substitute for professional medical advice. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. In conclusion, managing cholesterol is not just about the food we eat, but also about our lifestyle choices. Start your day right with these healthy drinks and take a step towards better heart health. Thanks for watching, lovelies. Remember, health is wealth. I'll see you in my next video.